Today you're going to learn how to make classic white frosting. This is the frosting used on cakes in grocery stores and delis across the country. You'll also find it in many bakeries. Here are your ingredients, but don't worry, there is a link below that will give you nutrition information as well as more details. You want to get started by getting a large bowl. In that bowl you're going to put in a pinch of salt, about an eighth of a teaspoon or 0.75 grams, and to that you're going to add in your shortening, which is a half a cup or 113 grams. You want to mix this until it's nice and smooth. Next, you're going to add in your flavoring. I'm using vanilla and I'm using 2 teaspoons, and that is 10 milliliters. You want to be generous here and you want to use a good quality. If you want it to be very white, go ahead and use a clear vanilla. But I found that it's not very necessary to use that. Next, you're going to add in 3 whopping cups of powdered sugar. That's 375 grams. When you get it finished mixing, it's going to be very clumpy on your beater, but don't worry. At this point, you're going to add 1 to 4 tablespoons of water, 15 to 60 milliliters, and if you like, you can use milk or cream. The milk and cream will actually make it a little more rich in flavor, but the water makes it where you don't have to refrigerate it for weeks at a time. You just have to cover it. Now, it pipes absolutely beautiful. I'll let you just see what it looks like when you pipe it out. Use as much water as you want to make it the consistency that you like, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more, and as always, happy baking.